What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we have this Hulkman jump starter sent to me by them to review for you. They have three models currently. There's the Alpha 85, the Alpha 85S, which is what this one is, and then there's the Alpha 100. And for all three of these, they offer free shipping, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and a 24-month warranty. So we'll start with their base model here, which is the Alpha 85. This one is 2,000 amp peak current, 20,000 milliamp capacity, and it can jumpstart 8.5 liter gas engine, 6 liter diesel. You can also use it to charge other USB accessories such as tire inflators, laptops, phones, drones, you name it. It also features a 3.3-inch smart screen, which is actually very easy to read and it's useful. It says that it goes from 0 to 100% in just 1.5 hours, thanks to its 65 watt speed charge, and it says in as little as 5 minutes it could have enough power to start your vehicle. And of course it's subjective here, but depends what size vehicle, but they claim you can do up to 60 jump starts on a single charge, or charge your phone 7 times fully. And it's supposed to hold a charge for up to 18 months, which means you won't have to worry about constantly having to charge it. As you can see here, there's a list of safety features built into it as well, including high and low temp and reverse polarity. It is also IP65 water and dust resistant. This is all supported by free shipping, a 30-day money-back guarantee, 24-month hassle-free warranty, and secured payment. Now we'll move on to the Alpha 85S, which is the one that I've been sent for the demo here. It's pretty much the same as the Alpha 85, but it has a little bit of a quirk here, which I'll show you in just a second. This one is more geared towards cold weather. It has a preheat technology, as they call it. So it's supposed to work even at negative 40 degrees, which is important for people like me up here in Minnesota. It gets very, very cold in the winter time. So if you're dealing with constant cold temperatures, you're definitely going to want to spring for the Alpha 85S. Other than that, it's very similar to the Alpha 85. Same warranty, same safety features. Now we'll move on to the Alpha 100, which actually at the time of making this video, it's not quite available yet. It's going to be available very soon. It's going to be the big brother to the 85S. The 100 is going to have a 4,000 amp peak current, can jumpstart 10 liter gas or diesel engine with 32,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. And just like the 85S, this one is rated with the preheat technology for negative 40 degrees. Same digital display on all of them, same safety features. And like I showed, they have the lighting system with the 600 lumen LED with strobe and the red SOS. So as you can see here by this chart, it shows that the Alpha 85 can be stored to negative 40, but it only operates to negative 5. So like I said, if you're in a place like me in Minnesota here, where it's definitely not uncommon to see much colder than negative 5 in the winter, you definitely want to go with the 85S or the 100. As you can see here, the 85S and the 100 will also detect how cold it is and preheat. It'll warm up the device itself so that it's more suitable. Obviously, when the battery is a little warmer, it's going to be able to give you more juice. So it warms up the battery internally, so that way you get the most output
to jump start the vehicle when it's super cold out. All right, guys, so keep in mind this is rated for up to a 6-liter diesel engine. Just for giggles, I'm trying it here on a 15-liter Detroit diesel engine on a tractor trailer, road tractor. All 4 batteries in this truck were completely dead. As you can see here, the dash won't even light up. So I hook up the Hulkman to it, positive and negative. As you see here, there's a little warning going on, and it shows a number 2 flashing. So you flip it over on the back, and it shows a kind of a legend or a key, 1 through 4. Number 2 shows that the battery is completely dead. So what it tells you to do is hold the power and the light button down at the same time for a couple of seconds, as I'm going to show right here. And boom, overrides it. It says ready. And I go ahead and give it a test here. It has plenty of power to run the accessories. You can see the dash, goes through the self-test and everything. But when I went to go and try and start it, it just clicked. It's just simply too much amperage, too big of an engine, too much compression for this jump starter. So now we're going to try the 85S on this 4.8-liter V8 Chevy Vortec 3500 Cube van. All right, as you can see here, I've got the battery cables completely disconnected from the battery, and I have the clamps for the Hulkman jump starter connected. We're gonna turn it on. If I'm trying to start that big truck, I'm down to 88%, but I'm gonna go ahead, and since there's no battery connected, there's no voltage detected by this device, you will have to do the whole trick where you hold the buttons down at the same time again to override it. So there we go, ready. Give it a whirl, see what happens. This is a 4.8-liter Vortec gas engine, V8. Still 84% left after that startup. And let's do one more startup. Still at 77% after that startup, and as you see there, the vehicle did die. Now there's a reason for this. It's a safety feature built into the jump starter. Under normal circumstances, your battery cables would be hooked to the battery, and once the jump starter starts the vehicle, the alternator will be charging and generating voltage and charging the battery. Voltage will then be taken from the battery through the cables to wherever it needs to go. The reason that it shuts off right now is because the battery is not connected. We were running the vehicle solely on the jump pack, and so what this does is the jump pack will detect voltage coming into it so that no damage happens to it. So after this vehicle ran for approximately 20 seconds, it cut power and quit putting power to the vehicle. So it's just to protect the jump pack. If the cables were hooked up to the battery, the vehicle would not have died. It would have kept running. It just would have powered down the jump pack here, and the vehicle would be running off of the alternator at this point. Now again, just for giggles, let's try it on a 6.7-liter Ford Power Stroke diesel engine. This is a V8 diesel, 0.7 liters higher than the pack is rated for, and we're still at 77% after jumping the other vehicle. Just barely there, but it did pop it off, and we were getting low on battery voltage too. We're only at 59% now, so, and this is a 6.7 liter. It's only rated up to a 6-liter diesel, so that's pretty good. So that is going to wrap up this video, guys. Hopefully this video was informative for you. If it was, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below with any questions. Check me out on all the socials, and as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.